I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to tie into your existing PVC pipe. Tying into your existing pipes is rather easy and can save you a lot of money from tearing out all the existing pipes and replacing them with new pipes. For this job, we'll be using a battery-powered saw, our glue and primer, and a marker. So if you're wanting to tie in with a T to your pipes, you'll take the T, place it over the pipe, and mark the lines that you need to cut out. So we need to cut this section right here out. That way our T has room to slide in there. And this will only work if your pipe has a little bit of play in it. So you can move it to one side to be able to get it into your T. After your T is marked, you can go ahead and cut that section out. You want to make sure that you keep it from moving as much as possible. That way you don't damage any pipe down the line. I've gone ahead and glued a piece into my T so that way I can point it in the direction that I want to go. Make sure it's nice and tight fit. Go ahead and dry fit everything. So after you have it dry fit, go ahead and take a marker and put some lines on your pipe so that way you can line them up when you're glued. And you know that it's going to go right where you want it to. Then you'll take your pipe apart. So now we'll go ahead, prime, and glue our pipe. After your pipe's glued and primed, go ahead and slide it in position. After you get it into position, you want to hold your pipe into place because it'll have a tendency to slide out. You want to hold it for about 30 seconds. After that, you should be good to go ahead and run your entire new plumbing system. You want to make sure that you don't run any water in there for about 24 hours. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.